Hello, fellow beverage enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey into the world of refreshing drinks with a twist, the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler. But wait, there's much more to this bubbly creation than you might imagine. Join us as we unravel some intriguing unknown facts about this effervescent concoction. Crafting the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler. But before we dive into the fascinating facts, let's get hands-on with the recipe for this enchanting Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler. Fresh blueberries, fresh lemons, sparkling water, sugar, or your preferred sweetener, ice cubes. With our sparkler ready, let's dive into some intriguing lesser-known facts about the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler that are bound to captivate you. Blueberries have been cherished for centuries, and their allure dates back to ancient times. Native Americans used them for both culinary and medicinal purposes, valuing their rich antioxidants and distinctive flavor. The fusion of blueberries and lemons isn't just about taste. It's a synergy of flavors that blends the sweetness of blueberries with the tartness of lemons in perfect harmony. In Italy, where summers are embraced with open arms, the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler is a cherished refreshment during hot months. It's not just a drink, it's a cultural nod to the joy of shared moments. The brilliant blue of the blueberries, coupled with the sunny yellow of the lemons, creates a mesmerizing visual symphony. It's a treat for your eyes before it even touches your lips. Unveiling more intriguing facts about Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler. Hold on tight, because we're about to reveal even more captivating unknown facts about the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler. Blueberries, often referred to as superfoods, are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. When paired with the vitamin C-rich lemons, this sparkling drink becomes a refreshing source of healthful goodness. Lemons have a history deeply rooted in ancient herbal medicine. Their tangy zest and juice were prized for their potential to aid digestion, boost immunity, and even uplift the spirit. The fizziness of the sparkling water in the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler not only enhances the sensory experience but also contributes to a feeling of lightness and satisfaction. The combination of blueberries and lemons can evoke a sense of nostalgia for many, reminiscent of homemade pies, jams, and preserves made with these two classic ingredients. Beyond its simplicity, the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler has inspired mixologists to get creative. Some variations might introduce herbal infusions, while others might experiment with different types of sparkling water for unique textures and flavors. Berry heritage. Blueberries are native to North America and were enjoyed by Native American tribes long before the arrival of European settlers. The incorporation of blueberries into this sparkler continues a tradition rooted in history. With its vibrant colors and refreshing profile, the Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler is an ideal companion for outdoor picnics and gatherings, making every sip a celebration of nature and togetherness. In Italian culture, sharing a drink like the blueberry lemonade sparkler represents not just a simple act of hydration, but a bond between friends, family, and even strangers, fostering connections and unity. The modern twist of adding sparkling water to classic lemonade is a tribute to innovation and the desire to elevate everyday experiences. It's proof that even the simplest ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary. By using fresh, seasonal ingredients like blueberries and lemons, this sparkler embodies the essence of seasonal cooking, allowing us to savor the fleeting flavors of summer all year round. So there you have it, folks, our fascinating journey through the world of Italian blueberry lemonade sparkler and its hidden stories. Next time you're seeking a sparkling escape from the ordinary, remember this extraordinary blend that marries tradition, taste, and effervescence. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary discoveries. Cheers to finding enchantment in every sip.